steely gray skies and a lot of wind. This is what the old timers referred to as a ducky day. And a ducky day it was. They sleep with half their brain.
So they sleep like Mike DeNovio with half their brain? It's gonna happen. It's windier than the dang Pacific out there. Sheesh. Feel like I'm in Arkansas. It's happening. Good things are happening. I like this. Get the fuck. Yeah.
Straight up top. Big old flat. Here it is, back on the big water where we were 2 days ago and got them. It's a ducky day, as folks would call it. I'd rather have sun than clouds, but we got wind. And we're kind of tucked back here in a nifty little spot where they could get out of the wind. Did see a bunch of high flocks, but they headed out to feed. Starting to see a few come back now. Hoping it works. Visibility is tough today. Just hard to see. So, see what happens. I don't know what they are. No, they're peaks. Another mallard. Shoot him, 2 drakes. I doubled.
I doubled. Hooty hooty hoo hoo.
That's all I need from you, Daniel. Those are 2 drakes. Shoot them.
That's the goal. Shot him in the face. That's what I do. I got my Delaware limit.
See him? Okay. Shoot him. Good shot.
By golly. Them cutes didn't even get up. Skaters.
Yeah, real nice hand.
Beautiful.
They all eat the same. Yeah, they do. I ain't seen duck hunter like you guys. I just like eating. That's the classic.
Yeah, I can see them now. Holy shit.
Thousands, dude. They're landing again out there. Setting up to be a good day.
Yeah, good boy, Casper.
Good boy.
What a dog. Up top.
Up top. Yeah. All hands. That one's full of corn, I can tell.
Why? What's so bad? You're a shit duck.
You can't eat them. They just eat fish. Their bill is specialized for fish. Oh, that's beautiful. That footage is amazing. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. God damn it. Oh. Just like the other day, it's hard to finish the big flocks. After those first few ducks came in, it was several hours before anything worked us. See, those big quantities of mallards I showed you earlier landed not that far from us. And so every bird would ignore our tiny decoy spread and head to those ducks. But then Jimmy showed up and turned our luck around.
What do you want me to shoot? Just mallards and you filming again?
Always. Oh, they're both drakes. Wait.
Oh, dude, nice shooting. That's way out
Chester.
there. Go get him. Holy dude. That was like a 70-yard shot.
Aftermarket chokes. Good
Chester.
boy, buddy.
Hell of a swim, buddy.
Good boy, buddy.
Nice one.
Big ol'
Good job, Chester.
big ol' fatty.
He's just here.
Damn. We're having issues because our wind's got a little cant to it, a little backwards. It's actually, you notice the wind shifting right now? It's getting better. So these birds, they're still landing far. I mean, this is big water duck hunting, right? So we're doing a little shift and trying to push the decoys out, but it's so deep, it's hard to do. We're in the right spot. It's gonna happen. Something will happen with a light switch or something here soon. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of move some stuff around and see if we can make it happen.
Gonna kill this one. Get him. Kill him.
Yeah, Jimbo!
Get it, get him? Yeah. Hell yeah, Jim. Hit me with this knife.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, hit me with a fatty.
Fatty, curly. Come on, they're gonna cut in right now. Damn.
We got this one coming in.
Where is it?
Oh, that's Drake.
Oh, watch these.
These two, right here. You ready?
Look over the top.
Chill.
Woo! Oh shit, we gotta go. We gotta get back in there.
Yeah.
Let's go. Damn. Because it's good right now.
Yeah.
In the middle. Too late, too late. There'll be another one.
Yeah, we need to get right.
I know. We had to get that duck though.
No, I know. I'm just saying in general.
I just feel like a 100-yard sprint.
Coming back around.
One Chester.
Here comes one. I have no idea what it is. That's a drake. It's a drake. It's a drake. Yep. Holy shit.
Come in.
That's a hen on the bottom.
That's a hen.
Drake on the right.
Drake, close ones.
Yep. That one's a drake. And that one is too. There you go. We just had the light switch flip. They're coming in non-stop. We're stacking them up now.
Close one's a Drake. That's a Drake kill.
Jimmy!
Oh yeah.
Jimmy!
It's a gab wall, Drake.
Hell yeah. You got 5 or 6 now. That might be 6.
That was 6. That gap wall 6.
Yeah. So we each got one more.
Spot right now.
We each got one more. You guys start killing them.
Well, Danny's gonna kill him. Don't worry.
Nice gab wall.
When you say nice, are we talking like mounter?
Not mounter, but nice gab wall.
Jimmy! Jimmy shot him.
Did he shoot it?
You shot him and he shot it.
I think me and him shot him at the same time. Yeah, that's Jim's bird.
Good boy. Good boy.
Chester.
Good boy. This is a day when he is invaluable.
Oh my God.
We wouldn't be doing this. Oh
The
yeah.
old hen slayer himself. Where'd you get this from? Military surplus. 40 bucks.
You.
Light switch.
Light switch.
Light switch. Ain't no. It's kind of like
12 o'clock.
It's a dimmer switch.
All
Right?
the hard hunters are
Hey,
sitting
coming
at
in.
home right now.
Coming in.
Shoot that one. Good shot. Why would you?
Oh, I'm like, man, I want this to keep happening.
Yeah.
Come on, Jimmy, here we go.
Kill him, Jimmy.
2.
I did 2.
Get bird.
We're gonna wrap it up. We just ended up shooting probably about 20 mallards. Really good day. Jim showed up, shot a few. But yeah, it's crazy, that light switch. We shot them it was about noon to 1 was the good time, and it just, you know, they just changed the patterns, flight pattern, whatever, and we got in it, and they turned on, and just about as quick as they turned on, they turned off. That's just how it goes. So awesome day. It's great to be able to shoot them twice, the same group of birds within a couple days like that. Doesn't always happen. So I'm gonna pick it up, get a little scout in, probably be after them in the morning.
We did work. They didn't all work, but I think we got 19 birds. They worked really well for 2 hours. It's just clicking. When it clicks like a light switch. Really hard on the call-in. They were super responsive, super not responsive. Finally got birds to pile back in here for a little bit, but tough hunting, good hunting. Public waters, can't beat it. It's fun stuff.